Hello and welcome. So whether it's paired with another gift, with breakfast in bed, or on its own, most moms love having flowers on her special day. It can get a bit overwhelming sometimes though because there's so many different choices and it also depends on her personality too. So we're going to take a look at some of those for whether she's a glamour girl, a Southern Belle, traditional, or maybe more sporty and outdoorsy. And I do hope that you will remember to like, share, and subscribe for future gardening and floral topics. So let's take a look. First we have the Glamour Girl, and for her, orchids are an excellent choice. They are very beautiful and their blooms last 2 to 3 months, and all she has to do is water them once per week, keep them in an area that has moderate sunlight, maybe like a shaded window, and just make sure they're not sitting in water at the roots, and she'll be all set to go. Next we have the Southern Belle. If she likes gardening, hydrangeas are perfect for her. The colors range from white through blue, pinks, and purples. Bear in mind though that they do get pretty large, so once you transfer them out, you'll need to have yard space in order for them to be at their full potential. If not, you can always give her a nice mixed bouquet with roses, daisies, lilies, and so on. Next we have the traditional mom. For her, roses, roses, roses. A dozen or maybe 2. You can give her in reds, whites, or pinks. It just depends on what she likes. Or if not, you can give her tulips in those similar color ranges, and that should work perfectly for her. Or maybe an African violet. They're very delicate, very nice, good to put by your kitchen window. Next we have the nature-loving mom. Give her a little bit of the outdoors by bringing her a nice hanging basket with different types of flowers, or maybe the mandevilla like what you're looking at here. It's a vine and it's very pretty, or the anthurium like you're seeing here. Bear in mind though that whatever you decide to do, the most important thing to your mom is that you love her and you respect her. Cherish her while you have her. And I certainly hope that this video helped you today. I do thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll have a wonderful day.